Are you looking for a business idea with a high profit margin? Consider small-scale plastic manufacturing. It's a field with diverse opportunities, from creating everyday items to niche products. Let's explore some profitable ideas. First, consider manufacturing custom plastic products. Many businesses need custom parts or packaging. This could include creating unique molds and designs for a range of clients. This requires specialized equipment but offers substantial returns. Next, think about producing plastic containers and packaging. The demand for packaging is consistently high. You could focus on food containers, cosmetic packaging, or storage solutions. It's essential to identify a niche to stand out. Another idea is the production of plastic toys. Toys are always in demand, particularly those that are educational or eco-friendly. This market allows for creativity and innovation. Focus on safe, durable designs. Then, look into creating plastic components for the construction industry. This could involve producing plastic pipes, fittings, or other building materials. The construction sector has ongoing needs. Remember to research local regulations and safety standards. Furthermore, consider manufacturing plastic household items. This includes items like storage boxes, kitchenware, or bathroom accessories. These products are useful in every household. Focus on producing durable and aesthetically pleasing products. You could also venture into producing plastic parts for the automotive industry. Many car parts are made of plastic. Focus on quality and precision. Remember, market research is critical. Identify your target customers and understand their needs. Then, create a detailed business plan, which includes costs, pricing, and marketing strategies. This will help you secure funding and manage your business. Consider using recycled plastics. This is an eco-friendly option that can attract environmentally conscious consumers. It's important to stay informed about industry trends. The plastic manufacturing industry is constantly evolving. Keep up to date with new technologies and materials. To maximize your profit margin, you must focus on efficiency. Streamline your production process to minimize waste and reduce costs. Quality control is also key. Ensure your products meet high standards to build a good reputation. Think about online sales. An e-commerce platform can expand your reach and boost sales. Finally, build a strong brand identity. This will help you differentiate yourself from competitors. Remember, success requires dedication, market research, and a solid business plan. Small-scale plastic manufacturing can be a profitable venture if approached strategically.